Welcome back, folks. We're going to take a look at the Christmas challenge again. Remember, these elves shot John Wick's dog. So that's why we're going after them today. But we're going to go after them with a Crossman silhouette. This is a 1701 silhouette. Now it does have a Williams notch sight on it, which is really nice because it's really good to adjust. And I wanted to try something with this that I thought was a little unique. As we get older, sometimes we lose some of that depth of field. Depth of field is how much stuff you can get into focus between point A and point B. And one of the things that a lot of iron sight shooters use are either apertures, or they put an aperture right on their glasses. Now this is about as ghetto as it gets. This is the ultimate in low dollar ghetto equipment. See that little hole in the tape there? This is just gaffer tape. The reason I use gaffer tape is because the adhesive doesn't stay on whatever you stuck it to. It always goes with the tape. So not a lot of residue to get rid of there. I just used a leather punch to punch a 16th inch diameter hole in there. And then what I did was I put the glasses on and I brought the hole centered with my eye, my right eye, which is my dominant eye. So that's how I created these you know, maybe a half a cent worth of tape and a hole in it, and you've got a really good aperture for getting that that depth of field back for using iron sights. So today we're going to shoot the Christmas challenge. Again, I'm not fully aware of the point structure here, so we're going to see where we are. But I got a fresh target down range, and I forgot to set the camera up for that, so I got to go do that. But I will be right back. Okay, I got my eye patch on. We're ready to go. Let's see what we can do with open sights playing this game. Again, we're going to take this from the top down. Going to start on the left-hand side of the shelf. I can't see the hits with these glasses on, so I'm kind of flying blind here. I don't know if I got that big elf or not. I might have just nicked his hat. Now, I can line everything up and I can do the trigger part, but I really can't see where my hits are with this aperture on. Pretty sure we got Santa. Might have been in the frame, but I think it was still legal. Oh, I think I pulled that to the left. Okay, now we're on the bottom lift, the bottom shelf. Well, that one I could definitely see. There's enough light coming through. That was a good hit. Definitely got that guy. And now we got the 2 bonus shots. These are challenging shots. Gonna go for the hillbilly. I might have just got the hillbilly. I'll have to bring it in to see. But I was a little bit high, but maybe we got him. And now we're gonna go for the star. Well, let's bring that in and get a score on it. My apologies, guys. I pulled the target down. I never took a shot on the deer, on the reindeer. So we gotta do that. So I put everything back. I got the camera downrange again, and 1 shot, and then we'll do the scoring. All right, now we can bring that in and see how we did. Again, this is offhand outside. It's pretty much a breezeless day today here in California, thankfully. But that's my conditions. But this is a hit, so there's a point there. Nothing on the reindeer, missed that. We kind of got this guy. I'm gonna give myself a point for that. Definitely got this guy and definitely got this guy. So I'm going to give myself 4 points there. This guy, I think that's a miss. This guy I got. I'm not really sure how to score that. This is definitely a hit. That's 4. I guess I didn't shoot the candle either. Jeez. Man, I gave up a lot of points on this one. Again, I was more focused on the challenge of open sights. Now this one I got. So do I get half of 4 points? I don't know. I'll give myself 2 there. So that's 4, 5, 6, 7. And I just missed that star, dang it. That was pretty close. Definitely got that guy. Definitely got that guy. Definitely got that guy. And I definitely got the hillbilly. So that's 5 plus 10. That's 15 points. All right. So 15, that's 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So 26 outside with open sights. I guess I'll take it.